So here we are in Photoshop. Make sure that these two images are imported. So after that, you go to file, you create a new document, you go to print, and I'm going to select this particular document. I'm going to change it to centimeters. I'm going to rename it as well. So after that, I click OK, and here it is. So the next thing is for me to come over here, select the crop tool, and I'm going to crop these images like the image like this. So I'm going to crop this image like that, and I'm going to crop it this way as well. So make sure that it's being cropped very well like this. Voila. So after that, you can click on confirm here. So after that, we drag it from here and drop it on the new document. So this is it over here. The next thing is to right click and convert it to a smart object, and we position it very well. So that's it. There is it over here. Voila. So move to the next image. All you need to do is just to drag it from here and drop it on the new document. Voila. So there is it. So all you need to do is to resize it according to the size of this umbrella. Have you seen it? So make sure it's the same size. Okay, that's not bad. So let's push it up. Let's push this one up as well. Voila. So that's basically it for now. So let's proceed. Select this, also convert it to a smart object, and reduce the opacity. So what we are going to do now is to blend this road for it to match the perspective of this umbrella, like the roundness of this umbrella a little bit. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So select this image, this one, go to edit, go to transform, and go to warp. So all you need to do is to warp this like that. So drag it over here and do the same thing over here. So that should be it. So let's see. I'm going to select it and I'm going to increase it back to 100%. So I guess this is cool. So all you need to do is to select this one again, select the max icon, click on it. So reduce the opacity as well, opacity or the fill of the layer. So select the max, is it, choose your brush tool. You can make it to be soft round, you can make it to be soft. I mean, you can reduce the hardness to 0, but for me I'm going to increase the hardness to 50%. I reduce the size, and the flow I'm going to take it to 100%, and the opacity as well. So change the foreground color to black, you see, because we want to hide this particular portion. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to zoom in carefully. I'm going to hide it. You can reduce your brush size according to how you want it to be. So after cleaning it up, you can push it back to 100%, and you can see this how it looks now. So it looks cool. I don't know about you. So you can also select the max again, select the brush, make sure the foreground is also black, increase the size, reduce the hardness, reduce the flow, and then you can try to clean up this part a little bit in order for it to blend with the umbrella. You can see what I'm saying. So this is what I'm trying to say. You can make it that way for it to blend a little bit with the umbrella. So this part you can see is like, this part is revealing what is there, so change to white, erase the size, and you can hide it again. So that's it. So do it according to your taste, and after that you can go ahead and save the document. But this is just a trick to go about the edit. So I'm going to select both of them, and I'm going to increase the size a little bit, voila, so that I will not have these rough edges. So that's basically it. You can try to match the colors a little bit. For example, you can select this and make it a little bit bluish. Okay, then select this as well, come here, select color balance, you clip it, and also make it a little bit bluish as well, so that everything matches up. You can see, voila. So that's how to go about this edit. So if this video was helpful, make sure you leave a like, comment down below. You can share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe, and also turn on notification so that you don't miss any of my future videos. Adios.